Now that we have done the template kit, we have designed our own identity system, which we can reuse on other websites. And the only thing we'll be changing is colors and fonts because we already have everything stipulated. We are going to build the actual portfolio website. This is what we're going to build. A very, very interesting project. And we're going to go straight into creating the first thing, which is the header. And before we create the header, we are going to go to menus and create a menu. So that's the first thing I do. Even if I don't have the actual menu, sometimes I use the demo menu so that I can be able to create my header. So I go create the main menu and I say create menu. And I usually place items on my menu. So I usually come to custom links. I just put the hash button. I say home. And because right now we have something to look for, we have home skill services, testimonials, uh, home skills. We have services. We have testimonials. We have blog and contact. Blog and contact. So the reason why I usually start with the menu is because to help me design my homepage, my header, that is. So after creating my menu, I go to templates and I create my template. Let me just close this and I create now my template. And I will do my header and I just write header and I create that template. And as soon as I create, Elementor will automatically open it. So as I said, I usually love having my WordPress dashboard on the extreme left. So we're going to close that and we are going to build our header from scratch. So this is what you're going to do. We are going actually to create a flexbox with a direction of row. We are going to click the container there. We ensure it's boxed because we already designed our system. This is 75%. It's already here as we designed it. So we go to style and we go to background type. We click on the classic and we go to color and we do our primary. Already all these things are defined. That's the good thing with this. So we go and add an element and we'll just put our site logo there. Okay. We add another element, which is our WordPress menu. And the third thing we are going to add is a button. Okay. There's three things. Okay, so as you noticed is that our logo is the one on white. Okay, it assumes a white background. So what we're going to do, we are going to not add our logo, we are going to add an image because we are adding the alternate logo. So we go to our media library and we add our alt logo and select. So we are going to delete our other logo by just right clicking and deleting. So the first thing we do, of course, is resize this logo. I usually put my resolution as full on this front page. I go to advanced and then I go to width. Then after going to my width, I'm going to resize this to custom and just put it at a sizable. It's there. I'm going to click on the container like that. And I am going to click on the layout. I'm going to put what we call space between. I align everything to center. Then I go to my advanced here. I go to my padding, put percentages and check and link values. I go put 1% top and 1% bottom. And I already have I already have my menu. So I'll come here and I will click on my typography. Its default is normal, and I'll put my text color as white. Okay, such that I have that. Um, Here, there is a pointer on underline. Just leave it as that. We want it to be like that. We will go to hover. When I hover, I want my text color to be orange and my pointer color to be orange, such that I have that smooth transition there. And when it's active, I want it to be same color. That. So my pointer is very thick. I just want to reduce it a bit. Put 2 pixels like that. Yes, and I already have my menu for desktop. So I'm going to edit this button here, and I just put text of hire me. I'm going to reduce this to around 5. So we already have a menu for desktop. Of course, it will inherit this one for laptop. Identity system has to be boxed. So let us just publish this. We add a condition, its entire site, and save. Since for the laptop, it did not pick our identity system very well. So we go to site settings and we go to layout. And yes, did not save. So we have to put it at 75 and container padding 0. And then we save changes. So we'll go back to editor. We just press the close icon so that we go back to editor. So this is how our text looks and our menu looks on mobile on laptop. So we are going to just put our icon to around 10. We are going to reduce this menu to around, let's do the small body text so that it accommodates that. So our horizontal padding is the problem here. Okay, so let us just do it to around 10. Okay, we can reduce this logo much further, around 7. Yes, and we can have that. Let us just also have our typography as small on that, and we can just change the weight to be semi-bold. That. So this is what we'll be having. That for the laptop. For tablet, we are going to just click on our menu. The first thing we do is put it as full width. That. And we are going to change what we call this toggle icon. I usually love using go to all icons. Use this called stream. This is my favorite icon. Go to style. You can explore other icons. Go to style. Go to the toggle icon. Give it a background color of white, and then give it a color of white. So you can either do that, okay, or you can just put one color. Then on hover, there's no usually very hover effects, just remain put it as the same. Then that. So what we do, we come to our container here, and we're going to add our padding to be 2 and 2 bottom. Maybe just add our image to be around 8. See how it looks. So let us just have it at 7. But so we're going to go to our mobile menu, and we are going to definitely have that to be around 12, and we are going to hide this button. So we are going to click the button, and what we are going to do is we are going to go to responsive, and then we hide it on mobile. Okay, and then we click on that container, we go to layout, uh, change it to vertical and then horizontal, such that you reset this and it's at space between, so it will display very well. So let us click the menu. What we can do is that we can give our drop down a background color of same menu size, black, and we give it a text color of white. So let's see how it looks. Yes, we are somewhere, so we can add a vertical padding just a bit so that it looks comfortable. It, and then on hover, you can have a background color, that color, and our text color to remain white. And if it's active, we can just have a text color of white. Yes. So we have already finished designing our menu. Let's just add this bit to around 15. And let us go to our container and give a padding top of 5 and a bottom 5, such that we have good and enough space, and we publish. And we already have our menu icon, our top menu. So if we open it in a new tab and then inspect, this is what click here. This is what we have for mobile, and this is what we have for tablet.